BrucDan, you're up, man, getting those last two Bowman Platinum from the case. Number 8. I don't know if Black Sheep can hear me. Black Sheep, can you hear me? Luke? $3.99 Christian Arroyo. Yeah, Celtics fan Eddie, it's uploading now. Christian Betancourt. I was calling for you, Celtics, but you weren't responding, so I thought you left. But it's uploading now. Yep, Edward Blue Sox, I got you, man. Yours will be coming up soon. There's about 4 or 5 more still in front of yours. Yimi Garcia. Xander Bogaerts, Tommy Hanson. Yours, you just put yours in. Everybody else put theirs in hours ago. Tony Sanchez. Miguel Cabrera. Oh, no problem, Eddie. Yep. It's uploading here shortly, bud. Should be up there. Mike Stanton. Aaron Sanchez, $3.99. Danny Salazar. Base. Archie Bradley. Okay, man. I think you did well. I can't remember, though. I think you did. Matt Moore. Ryan Healy. Jake Marisnik. Miguel Sano. Base. Rookie of Paxton. Buster Posey. Matt Carpenter. Clint Frazier. Bat relic, Devin Travis. There we go. Bat relic autograph. Guerrero gold. Albert Almora. This Tanaka. Carlos Santana. David Wright. Bays. Daniel Robertson. There you go. Die cut of CJ. Andy Romero. Annie again. Jorge Soler. Right down in the bag. Andrew Haney to $3.99. Jose Fernandez. Aroydas Vizcaino. Just base. AJ Cole, the blue version. That one's numbered to $1.99. What jerseys are these? Does anyone know? Prime's been looking good, man. Check out the videos. It's been looking really good. Every jersey on these, every one of these jersey autographs are orange. I was just wondering what. Christian Betancourt. Michael Franco. Eric Johnson. Just Dave. Bryce Bendia. Joey Gallo. Chris Sale Blue. Mark Appel. $3.99 Bubba Starling. Bryce Harper. And the last pack here, BrucDan's. Michael Noah, Taiwan Walker Red. Alright, let's recap it. Bryce Bendia. Cole, that's that relic autograph blue, $1.99. Robertson. Devin. Bat piece. Ryan Healy. Emmy Garcia. And back to where we were. Alrighty. Appreciate it, BrucDan's. I'll ship it to that address that you put in that message box. I'll make sure to send it there. Alright, buddy. See ya.